Welcome, people.
The first out-and-out action thriller of 2009.
Welcome, people.
सबसे डेंजरस स्टंट was the shark stunt.
You see the film, it's entirely shot outdoors in the most deadly locations. On top of cliffs, under the sea, we've gone everywhere for this film.
मौत को पहली बार देखा।
I was really scared.
It was scary.
That was frankly one of the scariest things I've been through.
लकी है सारे एक्टर्स जो किसी को कुछ हुआ नहीं।
Oh my God.
But first, before I put the actors in, I put the camera crew in. Cameramen were there, cameras were there, the crew was inside, and once they were safe around the sharks, then I put my then I put my actors inside.
एलन अमीन ने कहा फाइट मास्टर ने कि अब कूदो आप पानी में, तो बुद्धि बंद होगी थोड़ी देर के लिए, दिमाग वहीं सन्नाटे में आ गया।
Some death-defying stunts.
नीचे जा रहे थे तो आई कुड सी कि आई वाज गोइंग अवे, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि मौत आ रही है, तो बहुत करीब से मौत को देख।
Edge of the seat thriller and some scenic locales.
ये कोई माफिया या अंडरवर्ल्ड नहीं है, ये बिजनेस है, प्योर बिजनेस।
इस एक लोकेशन है, एक डेजर्ट लोकेशन है, जहाँ पे white sand dunes हैं. It's very beautiful. If you look at it from far, it's like snow. We had gone there in July, and July is their winter time.
When we started traveling there, the entire unit and the actors were like, "So हम कहाँ ले जा रहे हो यार आप?" But I think once everybody reached over there, there was nothing except white sand all over, and they were like stunned कि हमने ऐसा location life में देखा नहीं है.
The place is so breathtakingly beautiful that you're like, I am freezing cold, but it's still so pretty.
मतलब तीन कोट पहनने के बाद भी सुखड़ जाते थे।
It was really freezing. I felt really sorry for Shruti actually because she was wearing that the cut sleeves and low neck.
All of us in blankets. Shot हो गया, चलो गाड़ी में बैठो, and hot chocolate, and the girls were feeling even more cold. I think because they've given the guys the jackets and everything, we have to look good now. So that is not necessarily comfort all the time.
As they would call action, you have to take off all of this stuff and act cool, बंदूक के साथ and all. In the trailer and all, you'll see everyone is standing in a circle with guns like that. So everyone is standing and trying to act cool with a gun, and everyone is trembling so much because of the cold.
अजीब खेल, जब दोबारा गए तो गर्मी।
Exactly vice versa. In the sense कि हम कोर्ट में थे, continuity में, और जो कोर्ट में वो आनंद ले रहे थे।
Action!
Soham has a background of being a graphic designer. I mean, so he always thinks of things very visually.
He has the energy and the drive of a young director, which I think is so important for a subject like this.
Soham as a director is like a cake. He is superb.
बहुत ही सिंसियर लड़का, बहुत ही सिंसियर, ऑनेस्ट, पैशन है फिल्म मेकिंग का, और बहुत क्लियर कट माइंडेड डायरेक्टर है।
बहुत डिमांडिंग है, उनकी प्यास नहीं बुझती, वो बहुत सारे खून लेने के बाद ही उनकी प्यास शायद बुझती।
आज की तारीख का डायरेक्टर है।
Very good, excellent. It was about 2,000 feet high.
So these guys are going through hell, especially Mithunda, at this age. But then he didn't want to give it up. ये लोग कर रहे हैं तो हम करेंगे, हम भी करेंगे. You know how that is.
छलांग मारना था, मैंने मारा, and I hit my elbow down there. चोट लगी, वहाँ मेडिकेशन हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, इंडिया में आके ऑपरेशन हुआ, 5 स्टिचेस लगे इधर।
Ravi Kishan is afraid of heights, so they put him in the harness and tuck, slowly they were taking him up.
मैं और रवि दोनों ही ऊपर चढ़े गए थे, 200-250 फीट के ऊपर ऑलरेडी खड़े हुए थे।
So Alan walks up to underneath Ravi Kishan. He's like, Ravi Kishan is up there. He's saying, Ravi, there's जी मास्टर जी 18 साल पहले तेरे पास एक जिप्सी थी. हाँ, उस जिप्सी पे 4 मैग व्हील्स थे, वो alloy wheels. Saying, हाँ, I wanted to buy those mag wheels from you. I was offering you full price. Why you didn't sell it to me?
और रवि मेरे पास से बोला है यार अभी इसको याद आना था मेरे साथ ये क्या करेगा. और मैं बोला यार तेरी टायर छोड़ यार, मेरे को क्यों लटका के ये सब बातें कर रहा है.
ऊपर लो, मैगविल मंगा था नहीं दिया था उसने. अरे 5 बना के देता हूँ. क्यों नहीं दिया था? हाँ, नहीं बेचा था उसने. 15 years back I asked him for magwheels. He had magwheels in his jeep. टायर भारी पड़ रहे हैं बॉस.
सुबह 12 बजे से शाम को 6:30 बजे तक एलन ओमीन ने उन्हें 2000 की फीट पे लटका के रखा कि मैं उस बात का आज बदला ले रहा हूँ.
मैंने बहुत सारी एक्शन फिल्म्स की लेकिन मैं कभी डरा नहीं. बट हाँ, मैं ये फिल्म में बहुत डरा.
He was the one who showed it the most, so you can call him one of the most honest amongst us. But he did well. He did well despite that.
After he did the shot, all of us he came back and he was feeling like the king of the world.
With a dose of adrenaline pumping action, the force is ready to strike. Be prepared for the impact.
Welcome, people.